Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am showing you easy steps to create a neon effect in After Effects without any plugin. So let's dive in first, create a new composition. Now write some text and align it in the center. Set the anchor point in the center. Now select the text layer, go to the Animation tab. Select Add Text Selector, and from here, select Wiggly. Select Wiggly Selector 1 and change the wiggle per second to 4. Now go to the Add property and apply Opacity. Set the opacity to 25. Looking good. Again, select the text layer, go to the Animation Add Text Selector, and this time Range Selector. Now open Range Selector 1, add a keyframe, the offset at the beginning, -100, and after a few frames, set it to 100. Some nice wiggle effect. Now open Advanced, set the shape to ramp up and on. The randomize order. It's looking good. Now add opacity in Animator 2 and set it to 0. Some revealing text animation. Now for neon effect, I am using Drop Shadow from Effect and Preset Set. The color of Drop Shadow, something like that. Set the opacitor to 100 and softness to 10. Now duplicate the Drop Shadow several times and change the softness so. For more detailing, select Circle Draw, just like that. And mask it. And apply the same effect, just copy and paste. Now take a new black solid. Apply some texture for a more interesting effect, just like that. So that is it. I hope you enjoy the video. Hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting tutorials. Thanks for watching.